Yeah.
Hi, this is Lauren Cheek from Lornacopia, and I have a situation with my cat. She has sap in her cat fur. So I looked up several articles to see what is good for getting sap out of cat fur, and I actually read a thread where they said that makeup remover will take it out. Now the other remedies are like things like olive oil or mayonnaise or coconut oil. And then they say bathe your cat when you're done. And I'm like, my cat is not going to let me bathe her. And she's a little resistant to this, but this is taking the chunks out. So I'll show you real quick. I just wiped it on there. There's the matted cat fur with the sap in it. It just came right off. So that is your answer to sap and cat hair. Now, one veterinarian was suggesting that you drug your cat with CBD oil. They were talking about different things to put on your cat's skin that are oily, and then having to remove the oil and shampoo the cat. This is actually just penetrating that sap and pulling it away from the skin. And she looks a little happier. So now I'm going to get the cat out of the front of her fur here, out of her chin right here, out of her tail, and then we're going to have a happy, much healthier cat. This is my cat, Henderson. All right, there's your tip of the day.
That's it?
Mm-hmm.